Guys, what's up? I know this is a random video, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to crow call. So first, if you guys know how to do this, do that. Use your voice and go like ha ha ha, and put that together. Ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. Mine's not as good though, but if you guys know now, hold on, I'll do it again. Here's how to do a raven call. Just go. You just go huh huh, but with your like high pitched voice like this. Huh, huh, huh. So like this. Huh, huh, huh. You'll be able to call crows and ravens. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.